If you are a beginner who is struggling to make money online, then in today's video, I am going to show you the simplest form of making money online, that is CPA marketing. I will tell you why CPA marketing is the best for beginners who are looking to make money online for free. I am going to show you how you can get high quality targeted traffic for free and make money. Along with that, how you can double the money you make with the same amount of traffic, and also how you can automate all of this just using your Gmail account. So watch the full video to understand each and everything, and we are starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Just comment down below I subscribed with a question and I will reply to each and every comment that I receive. Now talking about why CPA marketing can make money for beginners is that if you're trying to sell something online through affiliate marketing, drop shipping or drop servicing or anything that requires people to spend money, I believe that affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative methods to make money online. But if you are a beginner, then you need a lot of traffic. Along with that, people need to spend the money. That is why the conversions for affiliate marketing can be a bit low. But talking about CPA marketing is basically cost per action. That means your audience just needs to submit their email address and you will make $1, $5, $10 per email submit. So all you need to do is attract your audience to submit their email address and you will make money. You don't need to worry about anything else. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way you can start making money online with CPA marketing, how you can get targeted and high quality traffic, how you can double down and make double the revenue with the same traffic, and how you can automate all of this just using your Gmail account. So just watch the full video to understand each and everything. Now just taking you and showing you, I've just come to a website called Offer Vault. This is basically a database of all the CPA offers that are out there in the market right now. And as you can see, there are two types of offers. The first is a lead and the second is a sale. But that is the lead. That means the people just have to submit their email address and you will make $3 for this offer, then $9.6 for this offer, then $4 for this offer as well, so on and so forth. So all you need to do is just attract your audience to submit their email address and you will make $2, $4, $10 per email submit, and that is super simple. Now in today's video, I am going to show you how you can attract the people who want to make money, who are looking to make money, who are in some financial struggle. Each and everybody wants to make money, obviously. So making money offers and some gift vouchers, free PayPal money, these kind of offers attracts a large category of audience, and this is very easy to promote and make money with. So you can just type over here PayPal and all of these results will appear. If I just scroll down below, as you can see over here, PayPal $1,000 gift card, and you can make $2.6 per email submit. Over here also you can make almost $2.75. If I just click on any one of these offers, all you need to do is just look for the offers that you want to promote. Just click on them and just see which network they belong. So this CPA offer belongs to a network called Lemonades. So all you can do is just go to that website, register for an account and get your unique link that you can start promoting, and whenever someone will click on that link, they will be redirected to the landing page, and whenever they submit their email address, you will make $2.6. Now if you just see over here the countries, that is United States. The only negative about CPA marketing is that it is very country specific. The offers are highly geo targeted and country specific. Don't worry, I am going to show you how you can get free traffic that is targeted and that will for sure make you money. So just watch the full video. Now, as I showed you earlier, you can go to Offer Vault and search for different offers and then join the respective networks that those offer belongs. But for simplicity purpose, I'm just showing you as an example. I'm just going to use CPA Grip and the offers over here. You can do the same. All you need to do is just click over here on publishers and just click over here on join CPA Grip. It is super simple and it will literally take you just 2 minutes to create your account and you will get accepted instantly. The only thing I want to show over here is you need to enter a website name. Don't worry if you don't have a website, it doesn't matter. These people don't really check the website or are not really strict about the website. So you can just go to Google, just search for anything and just go to the 6th or 7th page and just take out any website at random and just paste it over here. There will be no problem. You will be able to create your account within 2 minutes. Once you have created your account, just come over here to My Offers. Then what you need to do is just select over here all countries. After that, in the type, select all types. In the category, you need to select email/zip submit. Now, as I told you, we will be using some monetary benefit offers, some PayPal gift cards, or any offer that has a monetary benefit attached to it. So we can promote this offer, that is a $750 PayPal gift voucher or PayPal account, $1,000 Woolworths a gift card, or if you just scroll down below, there are plenty of offers like this. Get a $500 Bath and Body Work gift card. So these are all the offers that you can promote. Another thing I told you is that CPA offers are very country specific. So if you just scroll over here, this offer is only for United States. This offer is only for Australia. This offer is only for the people of Netherlands. But don't worry, I am going to show you how you can get targeted traffic, plus how you can make double the amount of money through the same traffic. So don't worry. So in order to do that, what are we going to do is we are going to provide our audience with a whole bunch of different countries so that they can select their own country, and as they select their own country, they will be redirected to the offer of that particular country. Because let's say we start promoting United States offers, and let's say that our audience is from some other country, so we will be missing out on a lot of potential customers and potential money. That's not what we want. We are going to maximize our audience by providing them a bunch of different countries so they can go to their country's offers. In order to do that, you can come to a free landing page builder called Linktree. Don't worry, it is absolutely free and I will walk you step by step on what you have to do. Just click over here on Get Started for free. Once you create your account, that will literally take you 2 minutes. You will come on this page. Now what you need to do over here is just click over here on add a new link, and over here you are going to mention the different countries and the offers of different countries. What I mean by that is, let me just show you an example. As you can see over here, I've just shown you an example, like this offer is a USA based offer. So I've just written USA, the tagline for that offer, and over here I've just pasted my affiliate link. In order to get that, just come back to CPA lead, just click over here on this offer and just copy this link from over here. After that, just come back and paste it over here. Similarly, I chose another offer that belonged to Australia, that is this offer. So I did the same thing. I just clicked over here on add a new link. Over here, I've just written Australia in the beginning so that people can understand, okay, this offer is for Australia, this is for United States, so on and so forth. Just write the tagline of that offer and then the affiliate link. And you can see over here, this is our landing page. This has the offers from different countries, and I would recommend you to cover as many major countries as possible, like United States, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, India. And all you need to do is just type your title over here and make sure that you write the country's name first. Like I have just written Canada. So whenever someone, your audience, will come on this landing page, they will click on their particular country and they will be redirected to that particular country's offer, so that you can maximize on your audience and you don't miss out on any potential money. Now if I just copy this link over here, just copy this Linktree link, just paste it in a new tab, and you can see that your landing page is ready for free. And you can see UK, United States, Australia, so on and so forth. I would recommend you to cover as many countries as possible. If you're not able to find different offers from different countries on CPA Lead, don't worry. As I said, go back to Offer Vault, just search for different offers from different countries so that you can cover major countries, and that way you can make a lot of money. Now that we have our landing page ready, this is the Linktree link that we need to promote. Now the problem with promoting links is sometimes some people might get blocked on the traffic methods I show. Sometimes some people might get away and get traffic. But I want each and every one of you to make money. So I have brought a new trick through which you will never get blocked on any traffic method. For doing that, and in order to automate all of this, all you need is a simple Gmail account that you can create for free within 5 minutes. If you don't have a Gmail account already, create a new one. And even if you have a Gmail account, I would recommend you to create a separate new Gmail account for this method. Once you have created your account, just click over here on this gear icon. This is the settings. Just click over here. After that, just click over here on see all settings. Just scroll down below, and this is where the magic will happen. This is where you can automate all of this and no one will ever block you. That is, you can set up autoresponders for your promotion. What I mean by that is, just click over here on vacation responder on. After that, for the subject line, you can just write, you needed some help with money. What are we going to do is, we are going to tell our audience, our traffic, to contact us through Gmail on our Gmail account, that is this Gmail. And whenever they send us an email, this autoresponder will automatically reply to them with this response. Don't worry, I will just show you how you can get this traffic for free and start making money. But just look over here. Hey, I know that these are hard times for all of us. Here is something that might help you to get through these hard times. Click here to know more. Now over here, you will paste your Linktree link and then just write best of luck. Now as you paste your Linktree link over here, 99% of the people will click on this link because each and everyone is desperate to make money, and whenever they will click on the link, they will be redirected to this landing page where you have different countries mentioned. They will click on their country and they will be redirected to that country's offer. This is a superb and simple trick that will make you a lot of money. Now for the free traffic, we are going to use Twitter. Don't worry, this is a new technique that really works and you can make a lot of money. Believe me. Just come to the Explore tab over here. After that, just search in inverted commas, I need money, in inverted commas. After that, just click over here on latest, and as you can see, I need money, send me some money, I need money, I need money, I need some help. And all of these people, as you can see over here, 24 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, people are looking to make money, get some easy money each and every second. And this is a very excellent and simple opportunity for all of you people to make a lot of money. All you need to do is just click over here on reply. So this is what you can just write. I know these are hard times for all of us. I was researching a lot and found some helpful resources. I might be able to help you. Contact my Gmail. Over here, you can just write your Gmail address, and that is our main idea. No one is going to block you because we are not promoting direct links. We are telling these people to contact us on our Gmail account. Each and everyone is desperate to make money and they will contact us. After that, we have the autoresponder all set. They will click on this Linktree link. Go to the landing page, click on their country, get to the country's offer, and we are going to make money just for their email submits. And as you can see, there are plenty of people each and every second who are looking to make money, who are searching that they are in need of money, please help them, and this and that. So you are going to take advantage of this, and this is super simple. Along with Twitter, you can do the same thing on Facebook. Just search over here, I need money. Just click over here on posts. Just filter from the latest posts over here. So just click over here on date posted. Just click over here on 2021, and you can just find if people are looking to make money online, and just you can contact them, and you can do the same thing on Facebook. But if you're looking to make long-term money online, affiliate marketing is the way to go. If you want to learn how I make $1,000 per day in affiliate commissions, check out the first link in the description box below to learn how I make $1,000 affiliate commissions per day. I'm not joking. If you like this method of making money online and want to learn another method in which I have shown 77 free traffic sources, check out the video that is flashing on your screen right now to learn 77 free traffic sources and start making money for free.